Good afternoon, traders. Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to today's report. Coming up at 7:30, key news for the Great Britain pound. 7:40 is MPC member Saunders is speaking at 7:40 Australian Eastern Daylight Time, and then we have UK CPI at 8:30 this evening Australian Eastern Daylight Time. So pound traders will be keeping an eye on that one. So far today, we've seen some mixed performances so far from risk. We're seeing the euro higher and the Aussie lower to the USD. We're just looking at the Aussie dollar now. We can see that resistance from 69.04, 69.05. That's an area we're just watching. As long as that stays in check, we're looking for sellers to maintain current momentum, but they are seeing a bit of fight back at the moment from buyers from 68.95. The euro has had a mainly stronger day. It's moved up with small gains at the moment to the USD. We're looking at this range as well to see if buyers can hold this level and maybe push higher, but we do see a bit of supply here, and after last night's session, sellers were quickly rejected, so there could be a bit more buy interest in the Euro USD at the moment. So just keep an eye on 11.21 going through into tonight's London session. Now, another one that's been making a bit of a move today, which is a forex cross, is the Euro-Aussie. The Euro is stronger and the Aussie is a bit weaker, so we're seeing this move here, broken above this level here, and this is coming after we've seen a lot of rejection from 61.10 down to, all the way down to 60.87, and we just want to see if they can maintain. It is feeding buying at the moment, and we want to see if buyers can push higher with this rally. This will have a little bit to do if the euro remains in favour and the Aussie dollar remains out of favour. We do see this as a new higher low, and we do have here at this point a trend break. So it's really now just up to buyers to confirm that lower high and then push higher, and we'll be looking for, if buyers reach it, new resistance to come in at 61.94 if reached by buyers. Gold is doing basically the exact same thing. We saw that failed low yesterday. Support we quickly mentioned this morning, so we'd like to see 1546 hold. If that continues to hold and we can maintain a move above 1549, we could see a recovery rally continue. We don't have a trend break yet, and a lot will come down to how things progress into London and New York, and if we can hold, that's the first line there, if we can hold that, and if we see a break of this level and a fade after a fade, then we'd be looking for a possibility that this trend's going to continue a bit further and the correction will continue on. So there's the couple of things we are watching at the moment. We'll just touch on oil quickly. Similar story with oil. We're seeing some short-term support starting to develop, but again, nothing really concrete just yet. It has been tested so far today, and we'd want to see buyers hold above this level. If we saw a break below either this low or this low, we're looking for the trend to continue lower. If we can see some support develop here, it lines up with these previous points of demand. It could be the starting point of buyers to build up a small move higher. So we're keeping an eye on those levels tonight. And after last night's, less than amazing US CPI, we'll just see how that equates tonight as well. So thanks very much. I hope you have a fantastic end to your trading day. And till tomorrow, good trading and bye for now.